Today at Peachybbies, I am going to be fixing our subscribers' really bad slimes. I asked people from all over the world to send us either just slimes that you want us to review or slimes that you are maybe not very proud of that you want us to fix for you. We have quite a few people who actually did it, which makes me super happy and I'm super excited to fix them. This one says, "Hello, Andrea, Anna, Aaron, and Christian. This is my idea for a Peachybbies slime. It is a salad and kids love salad. Please make this a Peachybbies slime. Thank you, from Sally." I think this is actually a really cool idea. Slime salad. I've never seen that before. Let's see what it's like in here. So this is a to-go container of some sort of food from the past, and it still smells like that. It also has holes in the top, so the top of the slime is kind of hard. It's really not giving me salad vibes. This is giving me like dead grass in the desert, and this is like Laffy Taffy. And also this chunk of slime right here is so dried out. Let's head over to Scent City and try to find the perfect scent for this slime. We have our scent. I'll be honest, I don't really love it very much, but it does smell like a salad, so I think it will work. This is a very mint heavy scent. It does smell very fresh. I'm so confused by this slime texture. Look at that. What is going on the inside? You can't really pull it apart very well. Can you hear that? It's like creaking. It sounds like an old floor when you walk on it. I'm scared I am not going to be able to fix the texture of this slime, but I'm determined to try. Honestly, I'm kind of happy with the way that the color is looking right now. I don't think we need to change it, which is awesome. My goal is definitely to fix these slimes with the least amount of change possible. So if I can just mix it up enough to where it's playable, we're probably gonna be good. This is so interesting. Every time I tear it open, there's just like little bits of pink stuff popping through. Very strange. It's definitely a very hard slime, but that doesn't mean it's bad. So I think we're ready to move on. There, does that look like a salad? If you looked at it far away and you like squinted your eyes, I feel like that looks like a salad a little bit. So to the toppings. From Charmville, I grabbed a bunch of my favorite things to have on salads. My #1 favorite thing to have on salads, if you know me, you could probably guess. Tomatoes. I love tomatoes. I'll be honest, this sprinkle mix is super cute and I kind of feel like we should make a salad slime. I feel like it's missing something, and what it's missing is salad dressing. I feel like we should add a little bit of ranch in there to balance it out. So let's go grab some thick and glossy slime and make our ranch dressing. We have some thick and glossy slime here. This is extremely underactivated, which is a good thing because it is more like a dressing this way, but it's sticking all over me. And then I have some seeds. Ranch has like little specks of stuff in it, so I couldn't just put plain thick and glossy on here and be like, it's ranch, because that would be lazy. We're gonna add a couple seasonings in here to make it more realistic. Mix it on up. And there you have it, ranch dressing slime. Now I'm just going to drizzle the appropriate portion onto my salad here. That is so cute. It really does look like a salad. Sally, I hope that this was your vision and I hope that we brought it to life. But now it's time to mix it up. Before, I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. I kind of feel like the thick and glossy that we used for the ranch is sort of fixing the hardness of the rest of the slime, which is exactly what I was hoping for, so that's perfect. Now it's fully mixed together and I think we did a pretty good job at fixing this. I don't have any complaints about this slime right now. I think 10 out of 10, we fixed Sally's slime. I'm gonna write this idea down because I feel like we should actually make this into a slime. Great job, Sally. Time to move on to the next one. This one, that's an actual present. How did they know that it's almost my birthday? It says, please open on camera. I have been staring at this for quite a few days, excited to open it. It's a present. What's in the present? I'm so excited. From Madeline. Dear Peachybbies team, you guys are my top favorite company. You guys always deliver what you promise. You guys do so much for your customers. I decided I should do something for you. So in this package is a custom mystery paper squishy I made DIY and a custom slime based off of your logo. I scented it like fruity sherbet scoop because you guys are so sweet, you guys are awesome, and I love watching your YouTube videos. Hopefully you're watching this right now on YouTube. Please write back, please, 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 please. Love, Madeline. Well, Madeline, I hope that this is better than writing back. Here's the slime. This is what I'm here for. The slime, it's so cute. Look at it. It's like a little tiny Peachybbies slime. It does smell like fruity sherbet. The color's beautiful. I love anything that has gift wrapping paper in it. It makes me feel like I'm getting a gift. This is a DIY squishy that she made for us. I don't know how you make your own squishy, but I'm excited to find out. Rare, common, uncommon, or legendary. Mystery squishy blind bag. Just so you know, Madeline, everybody at Peachybbies has been so excited for me to open this package. We are all literally on the edge of our seats to open this. This is why we guys love it so much when you send us stuff, because we all get so excited to see the creative things that you give us. And I'm really excited to fix your slime. This is so cool! Legendary squish, we got the legendary one. Wow, this is so creative. It's literally squishy. I'm gonna be putting this on my desk and using it every day. This is my new stress relief. Isn't that cool?
Wow.
Thank you so much, Madeline. Let's get into fixing your slime now. I can already tell that this slime is going to be super easy to fix. The color is already perfect. The scent is super good, but it's just a little bit underactivated. I'm gonna activate it just a little, and then I'm gonna grab some charms. I think I'm gonna do a bunch of peach themed charms. You see how easy that was to fix? It is already holdable again. What a great slime, Madeline. Okay, now that we have the texture fixed, I think it's time for me to take this out into Charmville and grab some peach themed charms for it. I grabbed a bunch of super cute orange and pink charms. Honestly, this is just such a perfect slime. I'm really impressed. Madeline, 10 out of 10 job. It is now time to mix it all together. The texture, amazing. The scent, amazing. The charms, amazing, thanks to me. The squishy, also amazing. So far, this is definitely a 10 out of 10. Madeline, you really know what you're doing when it comes to slime making and squishy making also. Impressive talent to be able to do that. I could not do that. Honestly, didn't even need that much fixing to begin with, but it is definitely fixed. So Madeline, great job, 10 out of 10. On to the next one. Here's our next one. So far, I have really enjoyed doing this. So if this video gets 5,000 likes and you guys send me enough of your failed slimes that you want me to fix, I will do a part 2. Make sure that if you do send me a slime, you go to the Peachybbies YouTube community tab and you comment on there. What did you send me? And if I see your comment and I'm like, ooh, I wanna open that, I wanna see what that is, I will specifically look out for that one to open on camera. This is Grace's Old Bad Slime. Grace, I gotta say, the name, a little lackluster. I feel like we could probably come up with something a little bit more expressive than that. Let's see what she has to say. Hi, my name is Grace. I made this bad slime, but I want it good. Please help me and fix it ASAP. Okay, bye. That was to the point. I'm ready to fix this. This is interesting. This is the first slime that we've had so far that has charms in it. Interesting. These are non-Peachybbies charms. It's interesting because this slime does have charms in it, but it's like the tiniest amount you wouldn't even really know. It looks like this might be a Valentine's Day themed slime. Well, it's in the name. It is old. It might be from February. It's got these little Valentine's Day hearts in it. But honestly, I don't think that these mix very well with slime, because when you pull them out, you can't really read what they say because it's so covered in slime. The texture, not bad. This is a really good texture. All I had to do was like move it around a little bit. This is like a brand new slime. I'm suspicious. Okay, well, I need to think of a new theme for this slime because old and bad is not gonna sell very well. So I think maybe we're gonna go for the Valentine's Day theme that was kind of going on there, but let's go find a scent first. I think that's the most important thing. Because I'm going for a Valentine's Day theme, I think I will add this brown sugar scent, something very sweet, like a holiday. A little bit of that. No complaints from me about the texture. This might be the best slime that we've had yet today. Look at how beautiful that is. If things keep going for this slime, how they've been so far, this will be our winner of the day. We have to wait to see the final product. So let's go grab some things from Charmville. With all of the charms and everything on here, I feel like this is almost a perfect slime. This is literally something that we would sell for Valentine's Day. Let's see how it all mixes together. Whatever this recipe that they used, so smooth, so buttery. The sparkles, I may have to say, great touch on my part. Thank you. What was this called originally? Grace's Old Bad Slime. Grace, this is literally the best slime that we've played with today. This is why confidence is so important, kids. Believe in yourself and your slime. So we started off with Grace's Old Bad Slime, right? We turned it into a Valentine's Day slime, lots of hearts and stuff. And the moral of this slime story is you should be confident and believe in yourself. So the new name is Grace's Self-Love Slime. Grace, we're all on that self-love journey, and this is very important for you to believe in yourself because this is the best slime that I've felt today. It is time to get rid of this old, sad note. We are confident now. Thank you, Grace, so much for sending this in. Great slime. Let's move on to our last slime. I'm really sad to open the last one. I'm having a lot of fun. Please send me more of these. I want to do more. I'm the slime doctor. I'll help you. Dear Peachy Baby, I have sent you every slime I have ever made. Please fix them, thank you. From Ezra. We're gonna do our best, Ezra, that's for sure. Before me, I have 7 original Ezra slimes. They're looking interesting. I'm gonna evaluate them all, and if they're too far gone, I'm not going to attempt to fix them. This is just hard clay. Number 1, unfixable. Number 2, I think this is also clay. Ezra, this is not slime. This is clay. Sorry, Ezra, but there's only so much I can do. Why are these all clay? There's hair in this one. Yeah, I'm not sticking my finger back in there. Sorry, Ezra. Number 3 is also a fail. Number 4, you're not gonna guess what I'm about to say, but these 3 are looking kind of promising. This one looks like it might have a disease. This one, pretty cool. This feels like gum a little bit. Please tell me you did not send me gum. It's okay, I would forgive you if you did, but don't. This one, just a little bit underactivated, but I think we could definitely fix this. This one, same deal. Conveniently, I have some activator right here. So I think the game plan is gonna be to take all 3 of these and mix them together because these are pretty small portions for slime. It's a very cute pink color. Let's get this fully activated to give it a fair chance. This one, as soon as I activated it, it feels super good. This is an awesome slime, honestly. No complaints about these first 2 so far. Gonna add some activator in to the lemon one. These are all something that I can very easily work with. And just in case anyone out there thinks that I'm being too harsh, everyone said, please fix them ASAP. So I'm just being honest. I'm very proud of every single person who sent us in a slime. Because look at that, that's got a great stretch. Now I'm gonna start mixing them together. This texture feels awesome. It is really impressive that we could take that from what it looked like to this that quickly. And now we're here with this orangey color. It kind of is reminding me of the smell of vanilla. So I'm gonna make this into a vanilla latte. Since the smell is already pretty much on par with what we're going for, I think we should add some clay to the top of it for a little bit of whipped cream, and then I'm gonna put some sprinkles on top of that. Here I have a giant bag of clay. I'm gonna use this as our whipped cream, but I'm feeling very generous. So I think I'm gonna take this white clay that I said was unfixable, and I'm going to add it into this clay to see if maybe we can incorporate a bit more of Ezra's original vision into the final slime. I'm going to make a little whipped cream. Here we go. Our final step is just gonna be to add some very simple charms to the top of this, and then I think we'll be done. This one turned out so adorable. I'll be honest, when I first opened this package, I was a little nervous, but this is maybe the cutest one. Let's squish it up and see how it does. This one is super fun to play with. The texture is awesome, and it incorporated with the clay super well. I wasn't really loving the color beforehand. If I'm honest, it wasn't super coffee-like, but with the clay added in, this is like the perfect color. So we successfully fixed this. Overall, that was super fun. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you even more for sending me your slimes. Make sure to like this video, get it to 5,000 likes if you want a part 2, and send me all your failed slimes so that I can fix them. Thanks for watching, bye.